This video is for Perry. I've started on your differentials. I'm working on the Salisbury today. I'm trying to put a video together at the same time, which is a nightmare. I've started on the Rover axle. This is the Rover axle that came, that was looking particularly grotty, not in this lot, the lot previous. And I sandblasted it yesterday, and I asked for a new pin because the pin was a little bit worn. Well, once I got into sandblasting, I found this. This is worn here. So I got a new pin, and that's one. And of course the corresponding side's one. I didn't see it because it was all covered in crap. But you see what I mean? Can't put that in. One of the common causes of Land Rovers rattling about, you know, the front axle is this. And of course putting big wheels on and more power isn't doing these little differentials much good at all. I think they were only designed for about 30 horsepower. But anyway, we need a new one of those or another front differential. But just be careful of these things, you know, like they are easy to work on and strip down, but little tricky little things like that can cause a lot of backlash in the front drivetrain. That's it. So I hit an aerosol can. Could JP fix that? Possibly, but the problem with him fixing it is going to cost him more than another differential. Tough life, innit? See ya.